Hello friends, my name is Chetan Wadadia and today I had came with our new video lecture in which I'm going to explain you few simple questions which are asked in board examination from chapter number 1, but students were not able to answer that correctly, and that all I'm going to tell you one by one. Let us start with question number 1. Find a rational number between root 2 and root 3. We know that root 2 and root 3 are irrational number, and they told us to find out rational numbers between these. So how we can do this? Let me tell you. First we should know the decimal form of root 2. Root 2 is equals to, let me select one pen. Let me, so root 2 is equals to 1.414 something, so we have to take up to 2 decimals, and root 3 is equals to 1.73. So you are having root 2 and root 3's value in decimal. So now you have to select one value, decimal value between this. I can select 1.5. So you can write down 1.5 as 15 by 10. So this will also work if you want to reduce this, cancel this. 3's and 2's are 5. So 3 by 2. So you can say 3 by 2 is a rational number in the form of p by q, which is between root 2 and root 3. So how simply we can solve this. But students lose their mark in this type of question. Understand? Please solve this like this. Now moving towards question number 2. Let us see question number 2. What is the HCF of the smallest prime number and the smallest composite number? So we have to just find out the smallest prime number and smallest composite number. Now one of the biggest mistake, let me write down, smallest prime number is 2. Smallest prime number is 2. Generally what I had seen, students writing 1. 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. So please take care in mind, 1 is neither prime nor composite number. So smallest prime number is 2 and smallest composite number, that will be 4, because 1 is neither prime nor composite. So what you can say, then comes after 1 2, and after 2 3 will come, but 3 is also a prime number. Then 4 is a composite number. Now they told you to find out HCF. So the factors of 2 is 2 only, and the factors of 4 is 2 into 2. So the highest common factor between these two is 2. So your HCF is 2. This was also one of the easiest one, but students write down 1 here and 2 here, like that they make simple mistakes. Now moving towards question number 3. Now let me tell you, find the value of minus 1 raised to n plus minus 1 raised to 8n, where n is a positive odd integer. So this you need to keep in mind, what n is a positive odd integer. Let me tell you first of all, minus 1 raised to odd power, and when minus 1 raised to odd power is there, you will always get answer minus 1. But when minus 1 raised to even power is there, at that time you will get positive. So why? Because every time 2 4 6, so pair will, you will get a pair, and we know minus 1 into minus 1, that will become plus. So if you are getting full number of pairs, so pair will help you to make it positive, but because minus 1 into minus 1 will become plus. But again, if one number will come, minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, so odd. Whenever odd number is there, one pair plus one single number will be there, so that will become negative 1 only. And minus 1 raised to even power will always give you positive. Now we know this n is odd. So minus 1, let me write down, minus 1 raised to n. So n is odd number, so let me write down odd. Minus 1 raised to odd, so this will give you minus 1. And plus minus 1 raised to 8 into odd. So whenever you are multiplying any odd number with an even number, you will always get even number. So you will get minus 1 raised to even number. So minus 1 raised to even will give you plus 1. and now minus 1 plus 1 will give you 0. So this way you can solve this. Okay, if you like it, please subscribe to my channel. I will bring more such videos for you. Thank you so much for watching my video.